Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I made this bread for the sandwich. It wasn't a hard process, also it didn't require a lot of ingredients. Stay with me so you can see how I made this sandwich. That's one of Matt's favorite. And if you like my videos, please subscribe so you can see more of my content. Those are all the ingredients that I'm using for my bread. Of course, you can substitute the milk for water if you don't have milk, or also you can substitute the margarine or butter, whichever you like better. So first I'm going to mix together the salt and the sugar and also the margarine or butter with the milk, and I'm going to stir it a little bit. Then I'm going to add the yeast, and at the end I'm going to add the flour. Don't add the flour at once, add 1/3 at the beginning, then mixture good, then add some more and stir again, and then add the remaining flour until you have a nice dough. You're going to knead it either by hand, or if you want you can use a stand mixer and then just finish it by hand, whichever you prefer and whichever is easier for you. It takes me around 5 minutes in the mixer and around 10 to 30 minutes by hand to knead it nice, and then I'm just gonna heat it 50 to 100 times in the counter, and I'm gonna let it ferment between half an hour or an hour until it doubles its size. It depends on the temperature. Once it's nice and fermented, I'm going to roll it out on my counter. If it gets too sticky, you can either grease your hands and the rolling pin, or you can use some flour on the counter, so that way your dough is not gonna be sticky. You can actually skip that step. That step is necessary for the type of bread I'm making, but if you want to make another shape of your bread, you're free to do whatever you like here. It's up to your creativity and depends on the product that you're going to make at the end. But I like to do that because after that I'm going to just roll it together, and when you slice it, I just think inside looks a little better. So I'm going to roll it together, and if you want to have only one piece of bread, you can just leave it as it is. However, I like to have it for individual sandwiches, so I'm going to cut it to 4 pieces. Once you have the desired shape of bread or breads, you're going to just put it in some greased pan, and you're going to let it ferment again. Here you apply the same rules as the first fermentation, and once when it's fermented, you're going to let it bake until it's golden brown. For smaller bread it takes less. If you have one bigger bread, it's going to take a little longer. You're going to check with a wooden stick the doneness of the bread, and here's how it looks at the end. So I'm just going to make some chicken sandwiches. Here you can make any sandwiches you like. I just use the stuff that I have at home, some chicken and cheese and ketchup, stuff like that. I don't put veggies, but you can add some lettuce or tomato, anything you like. And pretty much that's the sandwich, and I hope Matt likes it.
Hey guys, just another day in the life of Matt and Ani. I gotta drink my wine to keep myself sane and eat my chicken sandwich to make sure I don't starve to death.